Hey, what's up, guys? Have you heard about iPhone 12? We're a few days away from the launch of the 2020 iPhones, which are expected in September or October 2020. The iPhone 12 is expected to come in four models: iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max. All four models are expected to tout a design that harkens back to the iPhone 5's flat machined edges, along with a possibly slimmer notch. So today, I'm here to announce you the giveaway of upcoming iPhone 12 by Wondershare Mobile Trends. You have a possible chance to win a new Apple iPhone 12. All you need is to participate in the giveaway contest. Just visit this Wondershare Mobile Trends website. You will find the link in the description of this video. And now let me show you how you can enter in this giveaway contest to win a new iPhone 12 for free. You just need to open this web page and tap on the join button, and the web page will scroll down. You will see this guess and win iPhone 12 section. You just need to guess the upcoming iPhone 12 weight. How much will the new iPhone weigh? Share your answer and enter your information to win iPhone 12. Here it is showing up previous iPhone's weight, so you can check it out. You will get an idea for the weight of upcoming 2020 iPhone. To enter in this giveaway contest, you must have an email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address, because in case of winning the iPhone 12, they will contact you up on your email address. And you must have a Facebook account as well. You need to type here your Facebook name and tap on the Submit My Entry to enter in the giveaway contest. It's done. Keep in mind that the iPhone 12 winners will be announced on the Wondershare Mobile Trends Facebook page. I've dropped a link of it in the description of this video. You can also see the rules of this giveaway to read more about it and get more steps and chances to win this giveaway. So the prize is a brand new 5.4-inch 64GB iPhone 12. This giveaway ends at the day of iPhone 12 release. We are a few days away from the launch of the iPhone 12, which is expected in September or October 2020. So what are you waiting for? You can test your luck by participating in this giveaway. You will find the link in the description of this video. Beside the giveaway, if you scroll down this web page, you can also get the 20% off on this Wondershare Mobile Trends tool. The Wondershare Mobile Trends tool is used to transfer the data from one phone to another in just a single click. All you need to do is to connect both of the phones to the computer to transfer the data between them in just a click. You can transfer any type of data between Android and iPhones. You must check out this software if you have bought a new phone and if you want to transfer the data from your previous one. So this mobile trends tool will help you out in transferring the data in just a single click. It can transfer anything like contacts, photos, music, videos, and even the social applications like WhatsApp. It can also help you transfer your WhatsApp conversations from one phone to another. You will find the link in the description of this video. Go get it. So that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you later in the next video. Peace.